Hey, what's up, guys? Being laid off after 25 years, I can't really say it's a surprise, especially nowadays with what's going on with all the layoffs, but it is unexpected, right? So I thought I have at least, maybe 5 more years of employment and build up a retirement fund, right? But it's fine, this way it actually gives me the freedom to work on personal projects. And today we're gonna do a walkthrough of one of those projects. And I will show you the dashboard I created to help out AI voice agencies manage their clients and their billing. They'll give them a 360-degree view of their business anytime, anywhere. All right, so let's get to it. So if you've been creating AI voice agents in retail, you know that if you have multiple customers that you're doing this for, it can be a nightmare to keep track of your billing and usage, right? So my thought is, what if I build a dashboard that includes billing feature? So today we're going to walk through the app that I created. It's called M4 AgentLink, and you can find this. You can type in either m4agentlink.com or m4agentlink.m4intl.com. Okay, so once you've clicked on, start for free, there's a 14-day trial period. In the onboarding, it will ask for your name and it will ask for your Retell AI workspace key. By default, you have a secret key, but create a new one specifically for this app. Okay, so once you have that and you've pasted it into the app, you will come to this dashboard. It will show you on your default workspace how many calls you made, what your monthly spend so far based on those calls, what the success rate is. As you know, there's different statuses that tells you if the call is successful or unsuccessful. It will show you your call logs. Usually takes a while to load because of the screen recording. All right, we'll try to refresh it. There you go. Finally. So here you have the what I'm talking about earlier, the successful, unsuccessful statuses of the calls. Anyway, so these are the call logs from your Retell AI workspace dashboard. So you can see that. You have a billing tab where it shows you what subscription you have and when the trial will end and when your next billing is going to be. This is also where you would manage your billing. In settings, this is where you can set your profile. Right here is the API key for my workspace, and here we're going to talk about this client billing later on. Okay. If you're using Stripe for your billing, you can create a restricted key. So so the app will help you bill your customers automatically. So we'll go over that later. So right now, we don't have any clients onboarded. So here, when you add a client, we'll name, for example, Acme Corp, and ajane.do at example.com. And then here you would enter the workspace key for your client's workspace. So you would go to your Retell dashboard, go to settings, go to API keys, and you would add a key. So I've already added a key here for the app, and you're just gonna go copy it, go back to the app, paste it here, and over here you can set your rate. What do you want to charge your customer? So for example, you're charging them a monthly flat fee of $200 plus you have a per minute rate based on usage. Let's say 25 cents per minute. Okay, so add client. Okay, so now you have your client here, and you can see how many calls that has been done for that client, and then their estimated bill based on your $200 flat fee and 25 cents per minute. So you can see here the usage, right? 25 cents times 49.7 is $12.43. And in the business overview, if you have multiple clients, you'll be able to see what your revenue is going to be for the month, what your gross profit is going to be, and each individual client, you would see what your profit margin is and what your profit amount is for that client. So you can, if you have more than one client, obviously you just add a client, do the same thing. ABC Corp, John Smith example.com, and for now I'm going to reuse the same key. This guy I'm charging 300 flat fee and about 23 cents per minute. All right, let's look at the business overview. So now you can see here for John Smith, your profit is what your profit margin is and what your profit amount is going to be. And in this dashboard, you'll see what your total gross profit is going to be for the month. Okay, I hope that kind of explained why I built this app. It just makes it so much easier to track usage. If you have, especially if you have 10 clients or more, right? It'll be so much easier to have a single dashboard to view how your business is doing. All right, so if you have any questions, just comment on the video below or DM me, okay? And we can go over a demo specific to your use case. All right, thanks guys. So I'm looking for 5 beta testers. So if your building on Retell for your AI voice agency, go to m4agentlink.com and let's get you set up. All right, thanks.